If you need to cancel a pending Zelle transaction, it's important to act quickly. There is a straightforward guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Open your banking app. Launch the mobile banking app associated with your Zelle account. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Navigate to Transactions. Find the section of the app that displays your recent transactions. This is usually labeled as Transactions, Activity, or something similar. Step 3. Locate the pending transaction. Scroll through your transaction history to find the pending Zelle transaction that you wish to cancel. It should be marked as pending. Step 4. Select the transaction. Tap on the pending transaction to view more details. This will typically show you the recipient amount and status of the transaction. Step 5. Cancel the transaction. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the ashrock.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Once you have completed these steps, check your transaction history to ensure the cancellation has been processed. If you encounter any issues, consider contacting your bank's customer service for assistance.